I made this beautiful headband, and honestly, if you are a beginner, you can make this too. You only need some yarn, a crochet hook, and a simple crochet stitch. Today we are going to learn a half double crochet while making this beautiful headband. So let's go. For this project I'm taking acrylic yarn. It's in light color. It's a bit chunky. Then 5mm crochet hook, scissor and one tapestry needle. Let's first learn half double crochet. First we are going to make one slip knot. We have already learned how to make slip knot and chain. In case you didn't watch the video, you can go and watch it in my playlist. After making slip knot, we are going to make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 chain, we will skip 2 chain, as these two chain are going to be the turning chain. So we will insert our hook into the 3rd chain, but before inserting the hook we are going to yarn over. So yarn over, insert your hook into the 3rd chain, yarn over again, pull through, then you will be left with 3 chain, then yarn over and pull through all the 3 chains. Okay, so let's do it one more time. Yarn over, then insert your hook into the chain, yarn over again, pull the loop through, then you will be left with 3 loops on your hook, then yarn over again and pull through all the 3 loops. Now imagine you're going to the market with your wallet. You went inside the market, you took whatever you wanted, you came out to the cash counter, then you pay the bill and you came out with all your belongings. So this is your half double crochet. It gives a very beautiful texture and it makes a very beautiful pattern, a design. It's quite larger than single crochet, but it's a bit smaller than double crochet, so it lies between the single crochet and a double crochet. Let's make our headband. So we are starting with a slip knot, and now we are going to make 12 chains. This is going to be the breadth of the headband. If you want to make it more wider, you can add more chain, or if you want to make it a bit tiny, then you can reduce the chain. Okay, like again we are going to make one half double crochet, so we are going to skip 2 chain, then yarn over, insert, yarn over again, pull through all 3 loop. Now we are going to repeat. We are going to make half double crochet into all the chains. Feel free to pause the video anytime. Just do it slowly. If you cannot pull all the 3 loops together, then you can pull through one by one. Now if you like this video, consider subscribing the channel, because I'm going to make such tutorials with a project every week. Okay, after reaching the end, we are going to chain 2. We are going to make chain 2 and we will turn our project. For a half double crochet, we will always make chain 2, because chain 2 is equal to 1 half double crochet. Like chain 1 is equal to 1 single crochet, chain 2 is equal to 1 half double crochet. Again, we'll repeat our work. We'll insert our hook into the gap. Now make it bit loose. Don't make your stitches too tight, otherwise it will be hard for you to insert your hook into the loops or into the stitches. Make it bit loose, then you'll be able to see the gaps and you'll be able to know where to insert your hook. The reason I chose this project is because it's a very nice project to practice your half double crochet. Beginners often lose that last turning stitch, so be careful with that. Now again, chain 2 and turn your work. So I'm going to complete my work and I'll meet you there. So here I have finished making all the rows. Let's count how many rows of half double crochet we have made. So we have almost made 35 row of a half double crochet. If you want to make it bit longer, you can make. If you want to make it shorter, you can make it accordingly. Now I'm going to leave a long tail because I have to sew the ends. So I'm leaving a long tail. Now we are going to fold our ends like this. We are going to stitch our ends all together. It will make a nice X shape you'll see in the end. Now we have come to our end. So I'm going to make one knot, secure it tightly, and I'm going to cut the yarn. Now our headband is ready. The right side out, and there you go. There you have made your X shape. Look how pretty it looks. It's complete. Remember, we had made one flower. You can also attach the flower, and this yellow color is looking so good. See the texture? That's why I love this stitch. The half double crochet gives such a beautiful pattern, such a beautiful design to your project. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please help me grow, and I'll come back with a new stitch tutorial with a new project. Till then, happy crochet.